Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, November 23rd, 2022. Turkey's in the oven, and our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout is slowly coming back together. We are still awaiting the arrival of the Meranti mahogany planks we need to finish her bottom, so we have been focusing on her top sides and her transom. And as you can see, we found quite a few rotted boards that we have been in the process of replacing. We've always cut our own bungs using discarded planking from the boat we're working on. That ensures that the bungs are the appropriate color. So if we're replacing a plank as we have here and here, these bungs have been cut from cutoffs from this mahogany. If and when we have to replace bungs and refasten planks, we'll cut our bungs using cut-off waste material from the original planking. So she's been sanded pretty flat. We continue to porcupine the old screw holes in places where we have had to pull out a rotted and damaged bung. We are in the process of doing some Dutchman patches. And here on the starboard side as well, you'll notice that on both sides, this is right where the splash rail runs. Whoever had worked on this before had these splash rails off. And if you look at an earlier video, you'll see that this plank on both sides was simply rotted through and through because the spray rails were not properly bedded in bedding compound or 5200 or anything, and so they just trapped water, and we'll have to do some repair work on the splash rails themselves. So we'll continue working on her top sides and hope that early next week we see some mahogany showing up so we can finish her true 5200 bottom. And those of you who keep asking, yes, this is how Shepherd originally designed and fabricated its two-layer bottoms. This is 9mm Meranti marine plywood, and we will run longitudinal planking using Meranti mahogany planks that we will mill out at 5/16. And that will bring us where we want to be at the chines and at the keel. So we wish you a wonderful Thanksgiving. Please eat too much, I will. And we'll be back sometime next week. This is our update on our 1950 22-foot Shepherd Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.